Nobody knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance? The right place at the right time, two roads intertwine. And if the universe conspire to make our lives, to make us fuel and fire, then know wherever you will be, so too shall I be. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe there from the sheer weight of your loves and fears.